we're going to learn how to really level up our carousels and take it to the next level. The first thing that we're going to do, animate, animate, animate. This is a really great way to just elevate that carousel. You can stick to the fade in and fade out, but have some tips on how you can level up your carousels and start playing around with different ones. So we have some examples. This is an example with some animations. You might have heard of this movie, Barbie's Malibu Dream House. Airbnb actually did an article because they were releasing this dream house stay, and they did use some images in this and created a carousel. They have little progress navigation, but you can see when we cycle through this one, they're just kind of quickly sliding in and out. It's not Barbie's dream house. That's Ken's Mojo Dojo Plaza house. You're so right. And so when we cycle through, you can see the animations are pretty quick. So it's a nicely built carousel, but there are definitely some ways that we can elevate this if we were making this. Some things you could do, you could add other objects to it, like a pair of roller skates sliding across the dance floor, or maybe the disco ball spinning, bring in another object to have that spin, music coming out of the speakers. This one definitely has some room for play in the carousel. So lots of different ways they can add elements to these carousels and make it a little more fun.